Don't you? Okay, so I'm going to tie the white clouser now, probably one of the most famous small bait fish patterns, you know, going around, tied by Bob Clouser. There's a lot of variations now. I guess, you know, before a lot of people, well, they still do use bucktail to tie this fly. I like to use synthetic materials. Yeah, it's just my preference, and I like the way it looks in the water. Just tie it on a Gamakatsu SL12S10 hook and some white thread, and just bind it off to get it started here. Just like that. Get some medium lead dumbbell eyes. Yeah, this fly is just great, you know, if there's kind of queenfish busting up, tuna, trevally, things like that. Yeah, you can get tarpon up the creeks. It just imitates a small bait fish, you know, which so many predators live on or eat. I just tie the dumbbell eye about 3/4 up the way of the hook. I like that, and give it a little splash of glue there. Okay, I get some Deadly Dazzle. Cut a piece off, just a length about that long. Once again, always a nice taper like that, never just square at the back. You know, if you look at a bait fish or anything, it always comes to a nice taper. Shape of the fish. Okay, basically just have it about that long off the shank somewhere there, and just bind that around the shank. Just like that. Just bring it over the eye. Oops. There we go. That's it, that's the first step. This is a very simple tie. Very simple tie, very quick tie. I'll just snip that off there, tidy it up. The next material I use, it's Unique Hair from EJ Todd. It's kind of a finer strand material. It's not as kind of dense as the Deadly Dazzle. You can see the finer strands there. And I'll just use this on the top of the fly to finish it off. So I'll spin that around like that. Just get a nice portion. Cut a length off. I'll just pull the strands out again. Yeah, I kind of, you know, keep emphasizing the nice taper on the fly, and just not just a square edge at the end. It just, yeah, it looks terrible when it's swimming. See that nice taper there like that. Okay. Probably about like another hook length off the back there to finish it, about that length there. Just bind that over. Clean that up like that. Bind. And some half hitches. 2, 3, 4. Just like that. Dab of super glue just to finish it off. Yeah, it's very easy tie, but it's always a good fly to have in the fly box, definitely. I'll just show you here real quick. So that's it. The white clouser, yeah. You see, it's very sparsely tied. I mean, my thought process behind it all is bait fish. You know, if you actually see a bait fish in the water, it's just a flicker and a shimmer. So yeah, very, very sparsely tied synthetic clouser. Yeah, but definitely carry this one in the box.